Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a se- use a SolidWorks software, and this software is 2016 version. And guys, today discuss here a very important uh guys, this is a today discuss here a standard view, and this view is very important because this is a standard view, and use this, and how to this is a work, and how to this is a okay, and is a perfect, and also this is a perfect, all is perfect, but this is a extra, and extra is also use a toolbar, but at first click a right click and use a standard view, then uncheck, then all is remove here, and you can see you cannot see on the screen, and but this right click, mouse is right click and use a standard view, then this is a you can see here easily and clearly, and any body is okay, and any design is created here, okay, recent, and anybody is drawing, okay, this part is drawing here, and then this is a normal, and this is isometric, and not so this, okay, and this is a very easy, and you can see here also this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a left view, and this is a right view, and also this is a top view, okay, and this is a left view, and this is a back view, and all is looking perfect, and correct, and also isometric view is also this is a perfect, okay, this is a looking perfect, okay, and this right click and uncheck, this remove here, and this is a click here, and this is a back, okay, okay guys, okay guys, thank you.